Hey Zacchus Nation, welcome to another Zacchus video. This is going to be a quick video. I've got a 48-hour self-destruction on this video. I don't know if you saw the SpinPower video. If you didn't, it's right below in the link and it's on my channel. I created a course to help you with money. I've been studying money for 17 years and helping people all over the country to come out of their debt, out of their brokenness, finding financial freedom and confidence and strength and money knowledge, money wisdom, money principles. And I want to teach you, and I'm going to give you a deal of the day. I normally sell this course for $500, and I have a special on right now for Zacchus for $150. But for this video only, you're going to get it for $49.99, $50 if you click the link now. I'm only going to give it to 10 people. It's limited time. I really want you to try this course. I really want you to be free with your money. I want you to find that freedom so you can go on those vacations you want to go on to, learn how to build wealth and keep it, buy those cars you want, the house you need, the things for your kids and your wife and your husband. That is what God called us to do in the Bible. That's what ancient money wisdom teaches us throughout secular history, even the modern day. The billionaires and millionaires teach these principles. They don't change. And I'm going to teach them to you. I'm going to start you out on the foundations of wealth. We're going to build up from there. And this is just one course that can change your life if you just step into it. So remember, only 48 hours, this deal is going to go bust, and it's only for 10 people. So you got to click that link right down in the description below or right in the comment. It's called SpinPower Foundation, the ultimate guide to foundational wealth. Foundations of wealth is what I'm going to teach you. Take this course, change your life. I'll catch you in the next Zacchus video. Peace.